where'd you come in on a rant this morning, man?
That's fine.
We're going off about overpriced cheap kitchenware.
Useless kitchen gadgets that don't mean anything.
You know what the other problem is? We're like an hour from a lodge out. This is more. You want to come put your hands over the steam?
And we know that the man
Push it right there.
Can you go up?
Well, that would be the magnetic tray that was coming
This corner is high.
Oops, sorry.
Alright, so up until yesterday, no one had actually tried to lock the doors. And when we did, we realized that this door was not locking. And what we found out is that this locking rod is actually hitting against the body. So I am on a mission to make it work. I've been working on it all morning. And basically what I'm doing is I'm filing out the hole where it's hitting. I'm test fitting it. And I'll show you how it works real quick. Tighten this down a little bit. So basically, to get the lock to actuate, you hit the latch. So that would be the closed position on the door. And then right here is the lock rod. And you can kind of see that it is still not locking. And then what we noticed is that when you loosen up the latch, and it gets a little bit of wiggle room, that's when it starts to latch or lock. So right there, it's in the lock position, and you can see right there where it's binding. So that is what I'm doing today. And it's a very tedious little project.